Inventory error list and features. What is an inventory error list? This is where you can adjust the quantity of the inventory based on actual count. How do you create an inventory error? From the main menu, go to Inventory and select Adjustments and click Errors. In the Inventory Error window, click Create. Fill in the necessary information. Please note that all fields with an asterisk are required to create the inventory error, while those without the asterisk are optional information. Type the reference number, sub-reference number, actual date when the actual count was conducted, and select Center Code. After providing the header details, you can now provide the details for the items in the table. Select the item to be adjusted in the item column. Type the unit cost. Then you can add or subtract the quantity of the item to match the actual remaining quantity in the adjustment column. Choose the GL account to charge the related cost. If you wish to add another item to adjust, add a new line. In the remarks box, enter the reason for the adjustment created. Once everything is accomplished, you can now click Save. Meanwhile, here are the features you will find in the inventory error list. Search bar if you wish to search for the specific transaction using the reference number or specific remarks. Click the magnifying glass icon to search. Advanced filter if you wish to filter data with additional and specific criteria. Drop-down arrow beside the advanced filter. This is used to export the list you filtered. Exported data will be in an Excel file format. Lastly, gear button to select and deselect columns as preference for the list display. You have just created your inventory error list and learned the features of the inventory error module.